Hi, this is Diana Keuilian with the Gabriel Method. Now today's breakfast recipe is really fun. That's because it's pancakes. And everybody loves pancakes. I know my kids are always asking me to make pancakes. I grew up on pancakes. Now, what makes these pancakes different and better for you is that there's only 3 wholesome ingredients. It's fresh organic banana, egg, and a little bit of almond butter. Now, these taste amazing, and they're really simple and quick to make. I'm going to show you how.
Here's what you need. 3 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of almond butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract or ground cinnamon, optional. Mash the banana in a bowl or blend it in a food processor. Add the eggs, almond butter, and flavor additions. Mix until smooth. Heat a griddle or a skillet. Lightly grease with coconut oil. Pour the batter in quarter-cup scoops. Once you see bubbles form, flip and cook the other side until golden. Serve with fresh fruit.